Mame Mao Akwaba Enfaumbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wafreme adwoa searching. Ebusan for Captain Smart at the Ensembia Betuja na Captain Etrese. NPP party ni muno se uyi eye former Vice President Dr. Baumia asese Otu Franka diama NPP amayoku no uji ono efriwa the next person oye liar pa eye honorable Kojo upon Nkrumah into Captain Smart edaswa efre Dr. Baumia liar
bia emre no waka no wetu honam no na ode adwane enyansafo ntokwa kikiri nim but I say MPP for still a wonsu anyansa woni nipa wuyi ba o fi wo twa ntro pa e MPP mu Kojo upon Nkrumah oye liar that guy many ye adwuma on multimedia no ye joy morning show na me ya do morning show but them say Kojo your true force
you see NPP for eye omo primaries wie me kire omo so omo aba eyi nipa obedi omo anim eye 2028 about to never be koso no e na me adwoa me kan say ese NPP for esizi NDC for with that tag no omo the target Dr. Baumia say oye liar no ese NPP for omo na omo ani british rupa eye communicators no because sa Baumia ye liar no eye tag bi asame jamfi e na ne babies with sharp teeth for no said that a agenda be almost set it and a be good Dr. Baumia Nenimase. Sa agenda no, you and I can attest to the fact that Dr. Baumia and your liar. So it's a propaganda you know a togana faso and omo di jina so to aba e ma NDC amayoko no and then Ghana bra yebre. Inti maka said Dr. Baumia sa liar no omo the tag no. As I said people for mo ni bre no mo yisa tag no everyone. Now Captain Smart oni minyansa na dwen swasa akokɔ kete ono Captain Smart enya nerves enya audacity efe Dr. Baumia say liar yenti ese wa Captain Smart ede to dwane sansombra je we de me na me create me news enti okay wa bante kan yanko
3 2 1 action.
Ebusuafo ensem we na Captain Smart ede atudwa na Captain Smart ye wo Ghana ha na wo start agenda eye propaganda mu ye din editi a NPP amayoku no abra his excellency the former president na Don Akufo-Addo eye president abra na NPP for was no Captain Smart I quite remember 2016 17 18 thereabouts and his excellency the former president now Don Akufo-Addo president no what Captain Smart ekosia cement about the cathedral no say mo kwa kosi cathedral Captain Smart ye wo e na wo commander sugar factory eko try say his excellency John Dramani Mahama bra no ye president no ye so ye sugar factory ukotwa bread Ghana for say sugar factory na nya no kware ye unim de ba ya wo switch call NPP ekoye stupid propaganda etu futuru gu Ghana for ani a omo digina so NPP for samo kase Captain Smart and Kelvin Taylor omo propaganda na omo ye no se 2024 abato no enya infect was wa na mo dada mo ukodwom na se wudi nkomo na se obia kase obia bia na no pe Captain Smart figures omo boy say NPP for edisika no na enye easy it Captain Smart omo play major role e 2024 abato no mo inti NPP for se mo kwakwa Dr. Baumia as mo flag bearer mo hwe na mo fa mo nan sifem na Captain Smart ni semhu na wa start say Dr. Baumia eye liar no Dr. Baumia oye liar asin Dr. Baumia abra his excellency the former president now Don Akufo-Addo unis on be any vice no and some more kind how many friends percentage ahe no mo anye in fact omo promise free SHS omo deliver omo ba na Ghana ambulance omo provide ambulance his excellency the former president Don Akufo-Addo and the vice president omo constructing roads e wo Ghana have more than any president we have had enti no omo provide drones national health insurance NPP apenso na ye Free SHS almost started almost you know almost so almost fear bemo even though they were one or two challenges be but still no almost to be fulfilling almost promises and then yes and to akra. Dr. Baobia promises of betting dollar national bottom. And we can attest to the fact that NPP for back from 2016, 17, 18, COPRIM 2019 and COVID-19 by no. Things were going on very well. And then this for Kwama shut it up. So COVID-19 by na do the second term ne be bibia over dollar no e call fame. Na dollar na e call fame so enye Ghana eye ewiase afane nyina e na sa hardship no e ba yen so. Nti Dr. Baumia promises obechi dollar. Ti say bia nipa na wani endi politics achieve from 2016 eba. Nanado e na bedi achieve. They did very well. John Dramani Mahama buy and the tactics we buy say okay. Dr. Baumia ka so obechi dollar hye botom. Dollar no wantimi anti na ehuru kopu edu 16. I think NPP for efeso na 15 14 15 ho. Inti Ghana for no dollar na owo penti no yen stabilize the dollar no. Na yemfa yem omo camouflage and omo di sika almost 10 billion US dollars omo di egu economy no stabilize the dollar omo ntia teachers ka omo ntia nurses ka kokwa akuafo NDC fo akohwefo adablaba fast hansafo propaganda ya omo do omo nima membu omo nima omo left from omo right ebe ka kire kokwa akuafo say His Excellency the former president Alan Kwakufo-Addo ebe fa cocoa price no. It was a 500 cities and 400 cities to 500 cities. And on the office, no 3,001. Sa NDC fuya bedada Ghana for some months to my by a bema 6,500. In the cocoa price, I could do 2,500. It is a kalaya. Sa two parties, the him liar. John Dramani Mahama Bejina Ghana free in any such and say, or the cocoa getting kiteba, or by 24-hour economy. Sa 24-hour economy policy. No. Almost all the NPP communicators, NDC communicators, NDC leaders spoke about the 24-hour economy. But then they almost come 2 years, 24-hour economy. Almost more who they require, almost ready to budget. And so Yensis has a new. Into Captain Smart, found just shut up. Now Captain Smart, so we a journalist to be a country be so and Kabadistan can we baby and now. Ghana na F4, Ghana na Jimmy for doors now Captain Smart. Utimi enya audacity e kasa na how Captain Smart can one of very guide was journalist I'll be Dr. Baumia so a liar see NPP for omont na ho na momon say Dr. Baumia biewo na NDC no ho na omde neighbor in fact Ghana ni bia 2028 obetu aba ma NDC no wadwen nhyɛ da nya adwuma because NDC aban we e scam His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the second term way in fact first one e cry because what about first one I will call second term First term I will call second term. Demonstration say koso Ghana ha untimi ntua teachers ka untimi ntua nurses ka untimi ntua kokoo foka e na chese nse mu nkwa na mudi nti mo sanso aba na mpese business ahu 2028 no mo campaign assemble na mo beka che Ghana from mo ato aba ma mo nti Captain Smart you are one NPP for mama nti ona Captain Smart me jime bio and me say stupid propaganda na me fe Dr. Baumia so a liar na nto Ghana fo bi so wa adwin Ghana fo bi o mo adwin yemre say tire apokerism no omo me tag ni so a liar ti Captain Smart you are one you study ye me show na wo jimi te say de wo jimi ni bio because they say Ghana a move forward by hook or by crook
Kane mampani nana arodan kwa Akufo-Addo adu show boy sama afi no ho post bi ekuta no enye post ketwa wonu na wo ayi amanya English abrochire edi yeso no Commonwealth nations no nyina ya true mu aba obebia wona ya chairman
Ofanonya chairman abrafo some of the benefits of the difficulties no obey nesi o kai
na do hoyefo
papa wo nyini kwa na chi o
na just sa akonwa no so na bo obotete no Oh, sorry, Enti nanado na Bangladesh for womu kakuo no wo moto aba ene afra chairman sa chairman kasa kire wiase ka chasiro mansa na omato aba no nanado to atudwa se Bangladesh for abana mo beto no musuban a mo be da na di wa bato emu no mo da na di na se mo da asumampa di wa bato no mu ewia enmonyam no enka mo nkwam so moni monya betrafa South Asia, Southeast Asia, when you not done, I can be see, and you know, of what Marge Shine pa, and Montemony.
People of Bangladesh have an opportunity to have a new beginning of their democratic process in their country. And what an outsider like me would wish and hope for is that it will be an exercise that is conducted peacefully across the country with a lot of joy. I hear people talking about a festive election. I hope that that is what it will be, to manifest the commitment of the people of Bangladesh to democracy and its values. It will be a tremendous signal to the world, to South Asia, to Southeast Asia, to the world, that Bangladesh is determined to charter a democratic future. And that has to be something that all of us who are Democrats would wish for.
And I do show boy. And I'm watching and can nana adodan kwa ekufuado na abatuo de besi bia won na do beka wo bi wiem nana do ka se o ma wiem a enye no na ye adwuma wo mu wie nana do ka se abatuo no eno anu no a wo so wo mugitumu na de ekoso eno no
to abayi Dr. Baumia as your flag bearer we na me hu nsa Ashanti regional minister wa post on social media say Dr. Baumia ya to abama ne dia ye mfa na pomra as running mate enra masa hu say wa granting interview akasa asem no esresere ma hu say influencers ni like bloggers afa omo ye atwetwe sem as omo ye na porofu bi let's petro munja nkontompo mama yanka no krenchire ye ho the current vice president of the Republic of Ghana why education minister pen na po education minister pen ye current vice president of the Republic of Ghana tama no ye education minister na ye nya chwo konturo tama no ye education minister said de ne NDC aban we mu a teacherfo ye mfie o allowances ne free senior high school Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe time oye minister na free senior high school ye mane baye o hwe mane baye no time oye minister na o hwe mane baye ye ntua hweda ye ntua printing fees ye ntua school uniform ye ntua for textbooks nothing but in the NDC government students are paying for even electricity bill. Students are paying for utility bills, printing fees. They are buying uniforms for themselves. Things Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe, when he was a minister, MPP supplied for students, for brilliant but needy students, villagers like you and I. Things MPP supplied for us for free when Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe was the education minister. Today, NDC government is taking money from the poor people. So what are you talking about? Dr. Baumia set a target. Let's look at the things Dr. Baumia did when he was the vice president. And you been who say current vice president, Madam Jenana, and you been who say yana. So far, free say NDC winning album, and yet the who say current vice president ye nyina say wo kwa ye, nya nkwa na who say omoye. Me, let's put emotions aside. Let's face the facts. Yensha Dr. Baumia tamoye vice president adwuma obeye yensha Dr. Napota moye education minister adwuma oyeye na yemfa ntutu ye current vice president adwuma woye anytime moye education minister adwuma oyeye Ashanti regional minister wankasa hwe na fajaje ho enye die hiani minister die no enye social media na ewo agro ne form hwe na ma Ashanti region emfa ne tuma pamfura koko na Ashanti fo osunu koko ye nyatofo nka adaji a wodi ko grantee interview wodi kan na po asem no nka wodi kan asem papa bi kire Ashanti region koko akuafo anka o makoma beto mu yam agro ne form